How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I will be doing an ab workout. Before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Also, please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. So the exercise that we will be doing today is going to be standing twists. Very, very good exercise for our abs. We'll be doing 15 repetitions, 10 sets, 150 total repetitions. So this is very, very good exercise. Let's get started. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Just like that, you guys. We're gonna take 40-second to 1 minute rest period, and then we will continue on. But yeah, this is a very, very good exercise. Really targets your abs. I know it's standing up. Most ab exercises are on the floor. This one's standing up. Even though it's standing up, it's still gonna hit our abs quite hard. Let me tell you too, that I am so tired today. I am exhausted. It's almost 6 o'clock right now. Generally, this is when I'm finishing up my videos for the day. I'm just starting my videos right now. So work was extremely busy due to kind of the new year, or kind of with Christmas, the new year coming up. Very, very busy at work. Again, this video was published January 25th or 24th, I think, but I'm making this video on December 30th. So my head is absolutely killing me right now too. So let's do another 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Yeah, my head just killing me. What I do when I work, I don't usually eat any food at all. I know it's not the best thing to do, but I don't like eating during work. So I'll have like a moderate breakfast, 500 to 600 calories. I won't eat all day. And when I come home, I'll have lots of food when I'm at home. So it's a little bit of a fast, if you will, and I love doing that. But what kind of happens is that when you get home and you eat all that food, you go into kind of a carb coma, and you're just like destroyed. Like you just want to sleep and sleep and sleep. But that sometimes happens. Like I'll get home from work, I'll be exhausted. I'll go for a shower first. I'll come downstairs, I'll eat. And after that, like I am done for the day. Like I am just destroyed. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 17. I did more than I was supposed to. But yeah, the hardest part of making videos is starting the first vid. Doing the first vid, once you can get the first vid out of the way, the next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 are much, much easier. But it's that first vid and just getting into the office, starting to make videos, that is the hardest part. But once you can get past the first, second video, you're golden. So this is an ab workout, then I got a Kegel workout, then after that I got 2 easy vids. I got jawline, forearm, then push-ups. So the jawline and the forearm will be easy, so that's good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew, this actually hurts my abs. My abs are pretty sore right now, but we're still gonna do it. We're gonna get the work in. But yeah, just extremely, extremely tired from work. And again, usually I'm starting my vids anywhere from like 3 to 4, and then I'm done by like 6. But again, not starting. I got home at a decent time. I got home at like 3:30 or 4. I got home at 3:30, I think. But then I had to do stuff with the wife. We had to go get a photo, passport photo, stuff like that. So that took some time, and then finally got home 8, and now, right now it's almost 6 o'clock. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Woo! The good news is that I'm pretty pumped because I have like a little kind of, how do I say it? I have like a little software on my computer. It's just vidIQ, so it like takes some analytics for me, and it tracks how many views you get per 48 hours, so per 2 days. Generally, I like to be more than 80,000, and I don't like being less than 70,000. Even 70,000, I like to be over 70,000. I'd like to be over 80,000 views. Right now, I'm sitting at 94,000 views. I'm pretty happy about that. As long as that just keeps up, super, super happy about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I actually have, the reason for that is one of my videos is doing really well, which is sweet, but I have a couple of, about 3 or 4 other ones that were just made in December that are doing really well. So there's potential that maybe 1 out of those 4 could go viral. And yeah, that would be an amazing New Year gift for me. Because again, if you get one vid that goes viral, for me, viral is anything over 1 million views. You can easily, just by getting those 1 million views, you can easily pick up like 20,000 subs just like that. Maybe closer to 40,000 subs, depends how your video does. So if you get a viral video, you just pick up subs like nothing. So it's really good for your channel. So that's always pretty cool. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. But yeah, pretty happy. I'm at 94,000 views for the last 2 days. So it puts me at around 47,000 views per day. Super, super happy about that. Eventually this year though, I want to see, I'd love to see that just stay constant. If that stays constant, that's amazing. Because what happened was the first 5 to 6 months, I think, of 2019, my page views is something that AdSense just kind of measures, and my page views were at 65,000 for like 6 months, which is still pretty decent. But now they've been averaging about 105,000. So if I can just maintain my views, I'd be super happy. But again, I think I'm gonna see a lot of growth in the new year. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It's the channel has really taken off since 2019. The whole year of 2019 has been amazing, and it's been good because I set myself up with the videos from 2018. I always find that, I don't know if this is just me, it's probably just me, but with my videos, it kind of takes anywhere, and I've said this in previous videos, it takes anywhere from 6 months to a year for a video to really take off, if it's going to take off. For me, I have some videos that in a month or 2, they can really go viral, but generally it takes around 6 months to a year, anywhere in there, 3, 4 months, 6 months, a year, and then the video will just go, it'll just shoot and it'll go crazy. So 2019 was good because my videos in 2018 were amazing. So I'm just gonna try to keep that up, and yeah. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Whew. Another reason why too that I get, like everyone asks me, how do you get that many views on your channel? Is because I have almost 2,400 videos, and all those videos help out every single day. They each get a certain amount of views, and don't get me wrong, I have my top 10 vids, but I also have a lot of other ones that do really good as well too. But sorry to bore you with that. It's just I'm getting excited because it's a new year. I got lots of goals I want to hit, so I'm just talking to you guys about the business and YouTube. That's kind of what I'm doing. But yeah, I'll stop boring you. Probably don't want to hear this. End the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Please like the video, share it. Please follow me on Instagram at DylanBerg999. Thanks, guys.